Welcome to a beautiful custom-built house by Marque Thompson, French Chateau style, about 7,500 square feet on the inside, a beautiful 14,000 square foot lot, and the views end to end are spectacular. I'm Elliot Chun at The Partners. Come check it out.
I can see it all, the color of the morning when summer turns to fall. Gone from what it was, quietly unfolding right in front of us. Words and tales from storybooks can't compare, they're not as good. Looking at you now, it's obvious, it's meant to be. Don't have to try, it comes naturally. There's just no denying when stars align, perfect harmony. Turns out it's better than make-believe, but I don't need to write it. I knew you were right for me. Living every minute, loving every part. I'll keep it in my chest, recite it like a heartbeat if ever I forget.